Welcome to Zoolosea. This video will tell you about cows and calves and ending factory farming. Dairy cows are forced to give birth once a year to produce milk for most months. A dairy cow's ordeal. Over 265 million dairy cows worldwide produce 6.5 million tons of milk annually. A cow naturally produces 264 gallons of milk for her calf over 10 months. The average milk production in intensive production systems is about 2,641 gallons per cow, but a significant proportion of cows produce 5,283 gallons per year. Milk production per cow has more than doubled in the past 40 years. In factory farming, cows are treated as milking machines, suffering at every step. Life as a milk machine. For their bodies to produce extraordinary amounts of milk daily, dairy cows are fed concentrated nutrient-dense food, as their natural diet of foraging and grazing can't meet their needs. This unnatural diet can cause a metabolic condition called acidosis, resulting in diarrhea and laminitis, damage to their feet that causes lameness. Most dairy cows will be kept indoors for the entire year. Some are confined to crowded conditions with cold, bare, hard floors, the entire den or loud noises, and difficulties accessing food and water. Cows on concrete floors with inadequate bedding are more likely to develop mastitis, painful inflammation and infection of their udders. Dairy cows are forced to give birth once a year to produce milk for most months. Cows are usually artificially inseminated within 3 months of giving birth, so the cruel cycle begins again. This all takes such a toll on their bodies that they are worn out and sometimes infertile after just 3 births. They are slaughtered at around 5.5 years old. This starkly contrasts the 20 years of life a cow may naturally have. Born to suffer. Naturally, calves suckle from their mothers for up to a year. May maintain a strong bond with them. However, on factory farms, calves are taken from their mothers within hours of birth, causing severe distress to the cow and the calf. Because calves are separated so soon from their mothers, they often do not get enough colostrum, the first milk, which is crucial in helping calves develop a robust immune system. Calves normally suckle milk several times a day from their mother, but on factory farms, they may only be fed twice a day, often with milk replacers rather than cow's milk, which can lead to digestive disorders and ulcers. As the cycle continues, most female dairy calves are doomed to live the same short, miserable lives as their mothers. Males are considered surplus since they have no production value on dairy farms. Sadly, they may be shot at birth or exported to low-welfare veal farms. Calves destined for the meat industry can be transported for several days over long distances. They may only be 1 week old, hungry, tired, scared, and vulnerable to disease and injury. Those who survive the journey are often kept in terrible conditions and slaughtered within months. You can choose not to support the cruelty of the factory farming industry by incorporating more plant-based foods in your diet, and limiting your meat and dairy intake.